looks like someone's died in my bin.
That's pretty nice.
Free cheesecake. That's not his name. Oh. I'm having a plant crisis. I was drawn to this one, and then I saw this have more bits to it, and now I'm gonna cry if I leave it behind. What do I do? Should I buy them both and keep one downstairs?
Could do. They're only £3.
I just feel so bad for the plant.
Aww.
Slap at that bass, man!
So my videos have been a bit out of order. I've not done a lot of videos in the day, which is not good, but I thought I'd just do a random sort of chill out video. I think I'm actually going to paint my plant pots now, and I'm also going to do my hair today, so I'm going to cut my fringe and I'm going to use a toner, like a silver toner on my fringe and these bits of my hair. So I might just quickly design my plant pots. I bought these from Asda, which you probably would have seen the clip. That was a couple of days ago now, but I'm going to paint a plant pot. I've got two of these. £3 as well, 3 for 2, but these were £3 with the pot, which I thought was amazing. So yeah, it's the dragon tree, Dracena Waneki. Yeah, so I've got two because I could not just choose one. They are now siblings. So this is what I'm doing. Two-tone using Bleach London Silver Shampoo. Messed it. Oh, I think I've messed it up, guys. Oh, you can't even see on the camera. Didn't really do all that much. It's taken to these bits, but it didn't take on this bit, so I might actually redo this section and then hopefully it will look a bit better. So I've been waiting on some parcels, and I've been waiting weeks for the parcels, guys. Weeks, jokes. So I've been waiting a while for a couple of parcels to come, and one of them has just came. I'm going to do a little unboxing with me. So this is the parcel. It's a jumper that I ordered. Yeah, I like to see repurposed packaging. That's sort of my favourite thing. Oh, I didn't realise it was glittery. It's not glittery on the... can't lie. So this is it. It is a really cute swirly jumper. I thought it'd be cute in the winter. It's actually got glitter in it. It's really soft as well. See the glitter? Yeah, it's not really coming up on camera, that's probably why I didn't realise. So yeah, that's the first thing that I got. Alright guys, just got my other two parcels. They gave me no time slot, bloody hell, but oh, I ran up the road, I said, is that for me? And he was like, yeah. So, first one I've got is from TikTok shop, sponsored jokes, not really. I bought a brow eraser, jokes, not really an eraser, it's like bleach brows without the bleach. It's a Sensorium Brow Engineer. This is in the shade Bleached, and I am going to be using this for looks because I'm excited to see how it works. Oh, it's actually darker than I thought. I'm gonna give it a go, and this was from TikTok shop. I think it was £11. I had a £6 discount. So yeah, brown mascara. I like the packaging actually, I quite like the font of the thing. And then I ordered a top from Depop. Oh, this is an eco bag. Oh my god, that is amazing. So you open it like this, so obviously they've stuck it down. You open it like that and it makes a new reseal so you can reuse the bag again. Never in my life have I seen that. I will be using that for my orders. And I bought this Polaroid vest, which I might actually try on in a second. So yeah, Polaroid vest. Cool. Gonna leave you with a haul from today. I went to TK Maxx and Superdrug. So I got this rug from TK Maxx. How stunning is that? The white probably looks red, but it's white. It's actually a bath mat. £12.99. Get your Halloween bargains. And then, guess what I got? I manifested these guys. The Guess loafers. Look at those. Stunning. Platform loafers. My loafers basically were too small for me, and I manifested these because I couldn't find them anywhere, and they actually came to my TK Maxx. And guess what's even weirder? One foot is bigger than the other, and that's true for me in real life. One foot is bigger than the other. So these were £40. Definitely worth the price. Guess loafers. Absolutely lovely jubbly. Let's try these bad boys on. I've got fluffy socks on, so it's a little bit tight on the left foot. You can't even see. Foot. Oh yeah, look at that. Stunning, guys. Stunning behaviours. I'm going to leave you with that haul. Thanks for watching. See you in the next